Hello, this video is to teach you guys how to take a picture from the internet, copy and paste it into a Google Doc or a Google Slide. So the first thing you want to do is you want to do a Google image search. So let's say that you're going to look for um, a picture of a wetlands biome. Well, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to look up wetlands biome. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to click images right here. So you're going to click on the images. You're going to see a whole bunch of cool images. Now there's lots and lots of images for you to pick from. I suggest you pick the one that that looks good to you. Like maybe I'll just go with the first one. So what I do is I click it, and then it comes up over here, and then I push two fingers down on my trackpad. So on your square trackpads where your fingers are, you push two fingers down at the same time. Then a drop-down menu comes up. Look at this. Your choices are all of these choices. The first thing that you want to do is you want to copy this image. So you copy the image right there, and then you go over to your slide deck. So let's say you are working on a slide deck, and I'm going to show you how to paste it in. So now that we've copied it, we have to paste it somewhere. And what we're going to do is, let's just say we're opening up a new blank document, although you'll have documents, okay? And let's say that I want to put a blank slide in here, and I want to paste that biome picture on the slide. So I click into the slide that I want. See how it's highlighted over here? And then I push two fingers down on my trackpad, again, the same way I did the first time. And I say, actually, let's go back to this one. Two fingers down, ready? Two fingers down. See how I got a drop-down menu? And then you hit paste. And look at how big it is. Now that's really big, and you want yours to be smaller. So what you do is you push one finger down on your trackpad, your left finger, you put pressure on it. See those little plus sign right there? Okay, you can move that plus sign around with your index finger on your right hand or your left hand if you're a lefty. Okay, see how it's moving around? If I want to make it smaller, I have to look for that plus sign or that arrow. I have to push my opposite hand, so your left hand, you push down your index finger and you leave it pushed down on the trackpad. Then you move the picture down, and you slide it down with your right finger. And look at it, it's small. And then I can just take it and move it around if I want to with just my right finger. So again, if you want to make your picture bigger or smaller, you're going to click on, you look for your arrow or your little plus sign. And so one finger will just move it around. If you just use your right finger, index finger, it's just going to move it. But if you really want to make it bigger or smaller, you have to push down with your left index finger, keep it pushed on your trackpad, use your right index finger, and then pull it down, like dropping and dragging when you are doing, see how I'm making it smaller, smaller, smaller? There it is. And then I can move it where I want to move it. Again, press down with your left index finger, hold on your trackpad, take your right finger and drag it, pull it down from a corner so it gets smaller or it gets bigger. Smaller, bigger, but your left index finger needs to be stayed down until you're done making the size. Then you let go and you can move it around to fit into your pictures. So I suggest you guys practice. You can practice this on Google Slides. You can open up Google Docs and do the same thing. So if you want to practice copy and pasting onto a Google Doc, you just go to your Docs, which is in your waffle, double click. Then you're going to open a blank document, double click. And then you're going to say, okay, I want to look for a picture. So I'm going to go back to the wetlands over here. See how you have your tabs up here? Go back over here. Pick a different picture. Ooh, that one's pretty. Push two fingers down at the same time to your drop-down menu. Click copy image. Done, copied. Go back to your Google Doc, and then you're going to push two fingers down again, and you're going to get that drop-down menu. This time you're going to say paste. Okay, so I have this beautiful picture here. And then I have to click on it one time to get the box to come around it. And then I have to put my left finger, when I get my arrow, then I push down with my left finger and pull with my right, and I can make it bigger or smaller. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I want you to practice and show Mrs. Lavelle that you can do a good job with your copying and pasting pictures. Have a good day. Bye.